Hi guys, I'm Johan Lara from Strat&J Concept. This company is made of different French instructors with a military background and law enforcement background. Some guys spent more than 20 years in the army and more than 10 years in the SF. They were specialized in HR, for example, direct action and counter-terrorism operations. Today we want to bring this experience with all these instructors and bring it to the people who want to serve and protect here in France or abroad. If you pay attention to the statistics, more than 60% of the shooting for law enforcement happen at night, and for the military it's more than 80%. So that's why it's really important to train in low-light conditions. Illumination tools offer a good advantage to any users. If it's properly used, then it's good for you. But if it's badly used in wrong conditions, it could put you and your teammates in really bad danger. I want to show you a simple team tactics in which light is used as a distraction and darkness is used as a concealment. We used to say no step without cover, which means that we don't want to move without the protection of our teammates. The principle is to bring all the lumens of your tactical lights to blind and distract your opponent. At the same time, remaining outside the cone of light, your teammates can move, taking profit of the darkness and can move toward the opponent.